my name is George, and this is a very quick demo of selecting cell contents before clicking the table capture extension icon. So here we're on my test page. I'll refresh the page just for fun. We have our table capture icon on the top right. It's saying that we've found 10 tables. But if you actually look at the DOM, at the HTML that creates some of these tables, you'll notice that this is not a table. And also this right here is obviously not a table, but it's a repeating item, and you might want to be able to get this content, to capture this content. Basically, it's a list. So anyway, what you can do is, for a normal table, you can select a cell and click the table capture icon, and what it'll do is it'll actually select that table from the list, or it'll highlight and select that table from the list. Also, for things that aren't tables, like this table-like element here, it's visually a table, but using HTML, they use div tags to create it. You can select the cell, click this table capture icon, and then you get this pane here, which will let you find all of the repeating elements, aka the rows, to then copy. So if I look here, I see that one row has been selected, so I want to select the parent. And here I see that, okay, the whole table's selected, repeating elements to capture 3, so I have the headers in 2 rows. That looks about right. So I'll click this copy button, or maybe even better, I'll just click the Google Sheets button. And once this finishes loading, you can see that I was able to capture that table-like content. There we go. One thing that's worth noting is that the extension tries to make sure that all of the rows are of the same length. So here it added 2 blank cells on row 3 for column C and D because column 2 has a more complex HTML structure on the first row, because you want these cells to be in the same column, and you want these as well, but this is just extra data that's in the first row that's not in the second. Okay, thank you for listening.